Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send Snap without save option. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Snapchat stands out among the sea of messaging platforms for revolutioning the way we communicate. It introduced a novel concept for time send a photo for a one-time brief viewing. Initially, this meant no saving picture and no replies. You got one chance to see the message and that was it. So to do it if you want to send snap to your friend but you don't want your friend to save it to their gallery, it's very simple. So first we have to open our Snapchat, and from here I will go to message. Will try to send snap to my friends like this, for example. Now, before you send it, you can change the timer. You can see there's like stopwatch icon on it. So you can set the limit, the timer to 1 second. Like this. By default, your snap will be on no limit, but you can set it to only 1 second. You can go back. After that, you can send it to your friends. Like this. So when they open the snap, they can't find the save option on your snap that you just sent to them. It's very simple, right? So that is how to send snap without save option on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.